Welcome second year BSc student. Paper number MTH 301 Calculus of several variable, video number 13. Unit number 1 function of 2 and 3 variable, and this is video of approximation. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Approximation. Let f of xy be differentiable function at point AB, then f of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to, this notation for approximately equal to, f of ab plus h into fxab plus k into fyab. To find the approximate value of f of a plus h b plus k, and its value is equal to f of ab plus h into fxab plus k into fyab. Means first find the value of f of ab is a given point, fxab and fyab. First find out these three values, f of ab, fxab and fyab. By using this formula, evaluate example. Example first. Find the approximate value of 5.12 bracket square into 6.85 without using calculator. Find its approximate value. Solution. First value 5.12. 5.12 write down as 5 plus 0.12, means a is equal to 5 and h equal to 0.12. So take a is equal to 5 and h equal to 0.12. Next value 6.85 write down as 7 minus 0.15. So b is equal to 7 and k is equal to minus 0.15. So take b equal to 7 and k equal to minus 0.15. Now define a function in this form. Defined function f of xy is x square y. Defined function f of xy is x square y in this form. Function f of xy is x square y. Then find the value of function f at point AB. A is 5 and b is 7. So find out f of 5, 7. Therefore f of 5, 7. Put x equal to 5 and y equal to 7. X is 5, so 5 square into 7. 5 square is 25, 25 into 7 is 175. Then find out fx, partial derivative of function f with respect to x. So fx equal to dabba x of x square y. Now derivative of x square is 2x and y is a constant, so derivative is 2xy. Then find the value of fx at point AB. A is 5 and b is 7. So fx 5, 7. fx 5, 7 is 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. Also find out fy. Fy is dabba y of x square y. Partial derivative of f with respect to y. Derivative of y is 1 and x square constant, so as it is. So is equal to only x square. Then find out fy 5, 7. Fy 5, 7. Put x is 5, y is 7, so 5 square. 5 square is 25. Now write down formula of approximation. By approximation, f of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fxab plus k into fyab. Here put the value of a, b, h and k. Therefore we get f of a is 5, h is 0.12, 5 plus 0.12, b plus k, b is 7 and k is minus 0.15, so 7 minus 0.15 is approximately equal to f of ab. A is 5, b is 7, so f of 5, 7 plus h is 0.12, h is 0.12 into fx 5, 7 plus k is minus 0.15 into fy 5, 7. Therefore we get f of 5.12, 6.85 is approximately equal to. Put the value of f of 5, 7. f of 5, 7 is 175 plus 0.12 into fx 5, 7. fx 5, 7 is 70 minus 0.15. fy 5, 7. fy 5, 7 is 25. Therefore we get, now function is x square y. So function is x square y. 5.12 square and y is 6.85 is approximately equal to 175 plus 8.4 12 into 7 is 8.4. Their product is 8.4. And 0.15 into 25 is 3.75 with minus sign. And after simplification is equal to 175 plus 8.4 minus 3.75 is 4.65, and their addition is 179.65 is approximate value of 5.12 square into 6.85. Example second, find the approximate value of 2.01 into 3.02 bracket square. Solution. This first value write down into two terms. 2.01 is equal to 2 plus point of 01. So take a is equal to 2 and h equal to 0.01. So take a is 2 and h equal to 0.01. Similarly, write down second value 3.02 as 3 plus 0.02. So b equal to, take b equal to 3 and k equal to 0.02. Define a function f of xy is x into y square. X into y square. Define function f of xy is x into y square. Then find the value of function f at point AB. A is 2 and b is 3. So f of 2 3. Put x is 2 and y is 3. So 2 into 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. Then find out fx. Fx means partial derivative of function f with respect to x. Da by f by da by x. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y square as it is. Y square is a constant, so derivative is y square. Now find out fx at point AB 2 3 at point 2 3. Fx 2 3. Put x is 2 and y is 3. Y equal to 3, so 3 square is 9. Similarly, find out fy. Fy means partial derivative of f with respect to y. So da by y of function f is xy square. Its derivative with respect to y. X is a constant and derivative of y square is 2y. Derivative of y square 2y, so we get 2xy. Then find out fy at point 2 3. Fy 2 3. Put x is 2 and y is 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12 is equal to 12. Use formula of approximation. F of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fxab plus k into fyab. Put the value of a, b, h, k here. A, b. Here put the value of a is 2, h is 0.01, b is 3 and k is 0.02. Therefore, we get f of 2 plus 0.01 and b plus k means 3 plus 0.02 is approximately equal to f of 2 3. A is 2, b is 3 plus h is 0.01 into fx 2 3 plus k is 0.02 into fy 2 3. Therefore, we get f of 2.01 and 3.02 is approximately equal to f of 2 3 is 18. We know the value of f of 2 3 18. Put this value plus 0.01 fx 2 3. Fx 2 3 is 9 plus 0.02 fy 2 3. Fy 2 3 is 12. We know the function f of xy. Xy is xy square. So x into y square. 2.01 into 3.02 square is approximately equal to 18. Now 0.01 into 9 is 0.09 plus 0.02 into 12 is 0.24 and therefore is approximately equal to 18, and the sum of these two terms 0.09 plus 0.24 is 0.33, so is approximately equal to 18.33 is required answer. Next, example number 3. Find the approximate value of 3.95 square into 2.02. 3.95 square into 2.05. So first term 3.95 write down as 4 minus 0.05. So take a is equal to 4 and h equal to minus of 0.05. Similarly, second term write down as 2.05 is equal to 2 plus 0.05. So take b is equal to 2 and k equal to 0.05. Now define a function f of xy in this form: x square into y, first term square into second term. So f of xy is x square y. Find the value of function at the point AB. A is 4 and B is 2. F of AB means 4 2. F of 4 2. F of 4 2, put x is 4, so 4 square and y is 2. 4 square is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Then find out fx, partial derivative of f with respect to x is dabba f by dabba x, dabba f by dabba x, is dabba x of x square y, dabba x of x square y. Now y is a constant and derivative of x square is 2x, so 2xy, derivative is 2xy. Then find out fx at point AB 4 2. So fx 4 2. Put x is 4, y is 2. So 2 into 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So equal to 16. Then find out fy. Fy means dabba f by dabba y. Is dabba y of x square y. Function f is x square y. Now its derivative, partial derivative with respect to y. X square constant and derivative of y is 1, so is equal to only x square. Then find out fy at point 42. Fy at point 42, put x is 4. So 4 square and is equal to 16. Use the formula of approximation. F of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab. Put the value of a, b, h, k here. A is 4, h is minus 0.05, b is 2 and k is 0.05. Put this value here, so f of 4 minus 0.05, 2 plus 0.05 is approximately equal to a is 4, b is 2, so f of 4 2 plus h is minus of 0.05 into fx ab. A is 4, B is 2, so fx 4 2 plus k is 0.05, fy 4 2. Therefore, we get f of 3.95, 4 minus 0.05 is 3.95, 2 plus 0.05 is 2.05 is approximately equal to. We know the value of f of 4 2. F of 4 2 is 32. Put this value here 32. Now this term plus and minus become minus 0.05 into fx 42. Fx 42 is 16. Fx 42 is 16 plus 0.05 fy 42. Fy 42 is 16 again. We know the function. We know function f of xy is x square y means first term square into second term. 3.95 square 2.05 is approximately equal to 32. Minus of 0.05 into 16 is 0.80 plus 0.05 into 16 is 0.80 plus 0.80 minus 0.80 cancel is approximately equal to only 32 is the answer. Example number 4. Find the approximate value of square root 3.012 bracket square plus 3.997 bracket square. Write down first value 3.012 as 3 plus 0.012. First value 3.012 as 3 plus 0.012. So take a is equal to 3 and h equal to 0.012. Second value 3.997 as 4 minus 0.003. So take b is equal to 4 and k equal to minus of 0.003. Define function f of xy. Define function f of xy as in this form square root of x square plus y square. Define function f of xy equal to square root x square plus y square. Then find the value of function at point AB. A is 3, B is 4. So f of 3 4. F of 3 4 equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 equal to square root 25 is equal to 5. equal to 5. Then find out partial derivative of f with respect to x. So fx, find out fx, derivative of square root. Derivative of square root is 1 by 2 root. 1 upon 2 square root x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square. Derivative of x square is 2x and partial derivative of y square with respect to x is 0. Then this 2 and 2 cancel, remains only x upon square root of x square plus y square. Fx is x upon square root x square plus y square. Then find out fx at 3, 4. Fx at 3, 4. Put x is 3 and y is 4. X equal to 3. So 3 upon square root of x square plus y square. X is 3. 3 square 9 and y is 4. 4 square 16. 16 plus 9 25. Root 25 is 5. So equal to 3 by 5. Fx 3, 4 is 3 by 5. Then find out fy. Partial derivative of f with respect to y. So partial derivative of square root is 1 upon derivative of square root is 1 upon 2 into root x square plus y square into partial derivative with respect to y of x square plus y square. Derivative of x square is 0 and derivative of y square is 2y. Then this 2 cancel, remains only y upon square root x square plus y square. Then find out fy 3, 4. Then find out fy 3, 4. Put the value of y is 4. So 4 upon square root of 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 9 plus 16 25. Root 25 is 5 is equal to 4 by 5. Fx 3, 4 is 3 by 5. Fy 3, 4 is 4 by 5 and f of 3, 4 is 5. Use the formula of approximation. F of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab. Here put the value of a, b, h and k. Therefore we get f of a is 3, h is 0.012, 3 plus 0.012. B is 4 and k is minus 0.03, 4 minus 0.003 is approximately equal to f of AB, A is 3, B is 4, f of 3, 4 plus h, h is 0.012, fx 3, 4 plus k, k is minus 0.003 into f of 3, 4. Therefore we get f of 3.012 comma 3.997 is approximately equal to f of 3, 4. We know the value of f of 3, 4 is 5. 5 plus 0.012 and fx 3, 4. fx 3, 4 is 3 by 5. Then this value is minus of 0.003 and f of 3, 4. f of 3, 4 is 4 by 5. f of 3, 4 is 4 by 5. Now simplify this value. Before that, here is function f of xy and we know function f of xy is square root of x square plus y square. So this value is square root of first term square plus second term square means 3.012 square plus 3.997 square is approximately equal to 5 plus 0.012 into 3 is 0.036 upon 5. Then minus of 0.003 into 4 is 0.012 upon 5 is approximately equal to, take LCM, LCM is 5, so 5 5s are 25, then plus 0.036 minus 0.012 is 0.024. So is approximately equal to 25.024 upon 5 and it's approximately equal to, divide by 5 we get 5.0048 is required answer. Example number 5. Find the approximate value of square root 1.02 square plus 1.97 bracket cube. 1.02 is equal to 1 plus 0.02. Take a is equal to 1 and h equal to 0.02. 1.97 as 2 minus 0.03. So take b is equal to 2 and k equal to minus of 0.03. Now define function f of xy equal to, in this form, square root of x square plus y cube. Define function f of xy equal to square root of x square plus y cube. Then find the value of function f at point AB. A is 1, B is 2. So f of 1, 2 equal to square root of 1 square plus 2 cube. 1 square is 1, 2 cube is 8, equal to root 9, and root 9 equal to 3. Then find out partial derivative of f with respect to x, means fx. Fx equal to daba x of square root of x square plus y cube. Derivative of square root is 1 upon 2 root. 1 upon 2 into square root x square plus y cube. Derivative of x square 2x and derivative of y cube is 0. This 2 cancel, equal to x upon square root x square plus y cube. Then find out fx at point 1, 2. Fx at 1, 2, put x is 1 and y is 2, x is 1. So 1 upon square root of 1 square plus 2 cube is 8. So 1 upon root 9. Root 9 is 3. So 1 by 3. Similarly, find out fy, partial derivative of f with respect to y. So derivative of square root is 1 upon 2 root. 1 upon 2 into square root x square plus y cube, and partial derivative of x square with respect to y is 0, and partial derivative of y cube with respect to y is 3y square. So equal to 3y square upon 2 into square root x square plus y cube. Then find out fy at point 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2. So 3 into 2 square is 4 upon 2 into square root 1 square 1, 2 cube is 8. 3, 4, 12. 12 upon 2 into 3. Root 9 is 3. 2 into 3, 6. 12 upon 6 is equal to 2. Now we know approximation formula. F of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab. Put the value of a, b, h, k. Therefore f of 1 plus 0.02 and b is 2 minus 0.03 is approximately equal to f of 1, 2 plus h. H is 0.02 into fx12 plus k. K is minus of 0.03 into fy12. Therefore we get f of 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02 and 2 minus 0.03 is 1.97 is approximately equal to f of 1, 2. We know the value of f of 1, 2 is 3. F of 1, 2, 3 plus 0.02 into fx12. Fx12 is 1 by 3. Then plus into minus is minus of 0.03 into fy12. Fy12 is 2. Therefore we know definition of function is square root x square plus y cube. So square root of x square means 1.02 square plus y cube means 1.97 bracket cube is approximately equal to 3 plus 0.02 upon 3 minus of 0.03 into 2 is 0.06 and therefore is approximately equal to 3 plus 0.02 upon 3 is 0.006 minus 0.06 is approximately equal to, after simplification, is equal to 2.946 is the answer. Next, example number 6. Find the approximate value of f of xy equal to square root of 6 minus x square minus y square at the point 0.987 and 1.013. So first write down this value 0.987 is equal to 1 minus 0.013. So take a is equal to 1 and h equal to minus of 0.013. Similarly 1.013 is equal to, write down as 1 plus 0.013. So take b is equal to 1 and k is equal to 0.013. We know function f of xy equal to square root of 6 minus x square minus y square. Find the value of function f of xy at the point AB 1, 1 at point 1, 1. So f of 1, 1 is equal to square root of 6. X is 1, so 1 square, y is 1, so 1 square. 6 minus 1 means root 4 and root 4 is equal to 2. Find fx means partial derivative of f with respect to x. So fx equal to derivative of square root is 1 upon 2 root. 1 upon 2 into square root of 6 minus x square minus y square. Now derivative of 6 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of y square is 0. These two to cancel is equal to minus x upon square root of 6 minus x square minus y square. Find the value of fx at point 11. fx 11, put x is 1, y is 1. So minus 1 upon square root of 6 minus 1 means root 4. Root 4 is 2. So we get minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. Similarly, find out fy means partial derivative of f with respect to y. Derivative of square root is again 1 upon 2 into square root of 6 minus x square minus y square, and derivative of 6 0. Derivative of x square with respect to y is 0. Derivative of y square is 2y. These two to cancel equal to minus y upon square root of 6 minus x square minus y square. Find the value of fy at point 11. So fy 11 equal to, put x is 1, y is 1, again same value minus 1 half. f of 11 is 2, fx 11 is minus 1 half, fy 11 is minus 1 half. Use formula of approximation. f of a plus h b plus k is approximately equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab. Therefore f of 1 minus, now here put the value of a is 1, h is minus of 0.013, b is 1, k is 0.013. So f of 1 minus 0.013, b is 1 and k is 0.013. So 1 plus 0.013 is approximately equal to f of ab means f of 11 plus h minus of 0.013 into fx11 plus k is 0.013 and into fy11. Therefore f of 1 minus 0.013 is 0.987 and 1 plus 0.013 is 1.013 is approximately equal to f of 11 is 2 plus of minus 0.013 and fx11 is minus 1 half plus 0.013 and fy11 is again minus 1 half. So is approximately equal to 2. Then this minus and minus become plus. 0.013 upon 2 is 0.0065. Then this plus and minus become minus. 0.013 upon 2 is 0.0065. Then plus 0.0065 and minus 0.0065 cancel. So is approximately equal to 2 is required answer. Dear friend, click on like button and share to our friend. Thank you.